In the back of my work van. I've fitted the alarm. I'll show you where to mount the switches and the alarm panel. First up, I'll put the alarm panel up in the corner beyond the driver's seat. Nice and easy to run power from the battery or from a power supply down by the steering wheel. You can run it up the pillars. The earth wiring that goes to the door switches, remember the one we left really long, I've brought along the top in here. There's some plastic clips you can clip the wiring into. For the side door, it comes across the roof beam and to the door switch there. Over to here. As you can see, the door switch, I've set it up so it doesn't take a lot. Shut it properly. It doesn't take a lot to actually get it to make contact. Literally about ½ an inch of movement. I've made a bracket out of some steel that I got from a DIY store. If you put the barcode number in, you'll probably get it up on the internet. 30 by 2mm flat steel. Easy to bend, easy to cut. When I cheated, I cut it with an angle grinder, so hacksaw goes through it pretty well. The back door, I've basically split the long wire there and run it all the way along and on through. Run it round the corner up here, it's a bit fiddly, through the rear trim, and made another bracket up this side, because the first door that you open is the one that gets peeled, so it don't take a lot again to set it, to get it to go. And obviously you can put the alarm sounder wherever you like. I just put it up there because it's the furthest point away from the doors, so less likely it gets smashed off the bulkhead. If we go out the driver's door, shine a bit better light on the subject. Right, I've put the blue flashing light up on the bulkhead. I need to tidy the wiring up. It's only thrown in just so you can see. The short wire that we left, short black wire, is basically run through the corner and connected to the negative on the sounder, and this one drops down and connects in with the wire from the battery, from the switch wire, which also feeds the power feed, there you go, for the actual alarm. Run it down, to a switch that I've yet to mount, just 2 wires, over a switch, under the seat, sorry, straight to the fuse that I said about. Just bolted it on the terminal there, and that runs off to the switch, and we use it. Yeah, so I mean, you can mount the switch wherever you want. In there, in here, make a bracket on the bulkhead here, put it on the seat, on the battery cover. If you wanted to, you could pull this panel and find the power feed behind there, run it up the pillar trim across. And this is a full transit, so most vans are pretty much the same. And that's it. Also the other thing, as you can see, I've mounted the negative ring terminal straight onto one of the bulkhead bolts. There's loads of them all the way along. And you can screw it straight onto one of them screws, as long as it's on the bodywork, it doesn't really matter. Tucked it around. As you can see, I've taped the relay up to it, just to make it easier if the relay fails. That's all there is to it, really. Nice simple install. Probably took me about an hour or so. The longest bit will be cutting the steel work for the door switches. But yeah, one fitted alarm. I'll wait till the daytime to show you the alarm operating, because it's a bit late now. So right, that's it. Hope it helps you out, and hope you are van theft free. Cheers.